Hey guys, welcome to lesson 21. Let's learn the vocabulary together. Voice. She has a soft voice. Fear. He feels fear in the dark. Fearful, fearless. She is fearful of spiders. Blackout. I can't remember. I have a blackout. Fat, slim. She was fat, now she's slim. System. The school has a new system. Government. The government should help people. Neither, either. Neither, either. I like neither apples nor oranges. Large. The elephant is large. National, nation, nationality. What's your nationality? I'm Brazilian. Social. We enjoy social activities. Society. Our society cares for old people. Deal. Deal, dealt, dealt. They made a deal. Political. She talks about political issues. Politician. He's a politician. Policy. The school has a new policy. However, she still came. Whatever. Whatever you do is fine. Law. We have to do it according to the law. Lawyer. I will need a lawyer. Set, set, set. Setting. She set the table for dinner. Community. Our community is very open. President. The president leads the country. Team. We are a team. Minute. Wait for a minute, please. Second. He'll be back in a second. Hour. Hourly. Per hour. An hour. He works 8 hours a day. Several. Several students are in the class. Idea. She had a good idea. Lead, led, led. Leader. She led the team to victory. Weather. I don't know whether I'll go. Create. They have created a beautiful home. Allow. Ban. They allow dogs, but ban cats. War. The country was at war. Grow, grew, grown. Plants grow in the garden. Reason, reasonable. He has a reason to smile. Foot. Her foot hurts. None. None of the books are mine. Process. It's a long process. Market, marketing. They sell fruit at the market. Fall, fell, fallen. He fell down. Rise, rose, risen. The sun rose in the morning. Local. We buy from local shops. Class, classroom. She's in my class. We learn in the classroom. Raise. They raise money for a good thing. Raise your hands, please. Care. They care for animals. Field. Field of study. What field of study do you have? Rate. Exchange rate. The exchange rate is high. To fail something. Failure. She didn't fail the test. Failure teaches us. Road. You mustn't walk on the road. And the phrase is, I don't care. Who cares? Take care. Set me free. She's a failure. It's not a big deal. Our company deals with production of dog houses. Whatever. Lower your voice, please. He did that for no reason. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.